Here, I'll give you a little hand here too. There you go, rip it off. There you go. See this right here? That's a good one. Rip that one.
Wow.
One piece at a time. Take your time with it.
Thank you.
There you go. Ooh. It's like she just wants to rip it off. Ooh. Ooh.
Thank you.
This has a little bit of tape on it. Ooh. There you go. Whoa, look. One more. Take that off. Alright.
Wow.
Some more. What's that? What's in there? Just paper?
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh.
Look, it says Santa and me.
Well, put your picture in
Put your
there. Who's in that picture frame, Zoe?
Ooh, look at the. Who is that? Who is that?
Here, Zoe. Who's that? Who is that?
See, look.
That's Santa? Give Santa a kiss. Aww.